Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Bitget account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, to interest you to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto-to-crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading bots, and Launchpad. So now that we know a bit of what Bitget is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to delete Bitget account. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons, and the last icon you're going to find is your profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. So once you click on that, just click on your profile picture. Just click on it, and it's going to take you to the profile window, or let's say the accounts window. All right, so we're here in this window. That's the accounts window. So if you check the left corner of your screen, you can see that there are a lot of features here that you can explore. But if you want to delete this Bitget account, in this dashboard window, we're going to see your name. So this is the profile name, and just right beside it, you see my profile button. Now go ahead and click on the my profile button, and it's going to take you to another window entirely. So here is my profile window. As you can see, this account is unverified. So scroll all the way down. It's loading right up. Scroll all the way down until you find the info segment. Okay, you have your user ID, you have email, shipping address, referral code, joined, the date, and the next thing you're going to see is close account. Okay, so that's the close account button that you're going to find in here. Now go ahead and click on close accounts. Now you have this window that looks more like a warning from Bitget. It says, hold on, where are you going? Before you cancel your account, you must complete the following steps. One, you have to close or liquidate your position, which is very necessary. And the next thing is you have to withdraw your balance, including the balance in your sub account. And then you have to confirm this, that you have confirmed your Web3. You have confirmed that your Web3 wallet has no assets. All right, that's after you've done this and you've done step one, step two, go ahead and confirm. And once you click on this confirm, you see that it has no wallet. Now you can choose on cancel account, or you can choose keep my wallet. So once you click on cancel account, it's going to take you to the final window. This is just letting you know that there are a lot of things that you need to consider before closing your account. And if you're sure of this decision, then you can just go ahead and click on cancel account. So this is the final warning. This action is reversible. Make sure you have withdrawn your balance and completed all your transactions. And cancel accounts results in the following: all trading and login functions are no longer accessible. All API private keys in your account will be disabled. All authorized devices will be removed. The verified identity information will be deleted, and no rewards will be distributed to your account. If you're really sure you want to proceed, go ahead and click on this checkbox. And once you click on this checkbox, you can now click on cancel account, and your account will be finally cancelled. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can delete your Bitget account. Then you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.